Okay guys, welcome back to the Psychopath channel. Today we're working on this beautiful Ducati 2006. It's a ST3. The bike won't start. It has a few issues. It looks like it's been neglected for a while. Paint's faded over here on the side of the front fairing. And it's got a big crack over there. And already removed this side of the fairing. For those that want to know where the battery is right on this side. Okay, this bike has 4 smart plugs, which one of them is right here on this side. The other one it's in the bottom right underneath the battery, and the other 2 are on the other side. I'm gonna point them up to you. Okay, here's the other spark plug right here, and the other one's on the bottom side underneath here. You have to remove this cover to replace it. Okay, so this bike won't start, so we're gonna start by checking the spark plugs and fuel and spark. See, we have fuel, spark, we have signal to the injectors, and so on and so forth. That's why I'm gonna have to remove the seat. To remove the seat, you have to use the key, turn the key on this lock cylinder, and we'll remove the seat. And underneath the seat we have the original toolkit from Ducati. We got fuses, we have a little tray, and the tank. The way you get access underneath the tank is you have to remove these 2 bolts. Okay, and remove this cover, and there's a rubber strap that holds the tank in place. So we're gonna do that, and I'll show you guys when we are with the tank open. Okay, thank you.